On the night of 5th December at about 11:30, when I took leave of him to go home, I was just approaching the main gate. Then the servant came running that I was called back by Baba Sahib. I parking my bicycle outside. I went inside and asked Baba Sahib what is the matter. He said, before going you do one thing, place that introduction and preface to the book Buddha and Dhamma on his table. Then he had also dictated to me one letter addressed to Atre and Joshi of Samyukta Party Bombay regarding formation of the Republican Party of India. Then another letter he had addressed to the Burma government, to the Sasana, Burma Sasana, to propagate Buddhism and how to finance it. Then early in the morning, the servant and the driver, they came to my place, knocked the door. As soon as I opened, I was surprised to see their faces. I took it that something must have happened. I immediately inquired, is Baba Sahib all right? But they did not have, they only said their Mem Sahib had sent them to call you. So immediately I started, reached 26 Alip Road. Mr. Ambedkar was sitting in the veranda waiting for me. Immediately I got out of the car. He took me inside and told me that Baba Sahib has left us. Taking courage, I immediately ran to the room where I had left Baba Sahib the previous night. I called Baba Sahib, Baba Sahib.
Thus ended on December 6, 1956, the great journey of one of the tallest sons of India.
जो बिछुड़े हैं प्यारे से भटकते दर बदर फिर
A fierce social rebel and yet a compassionate reformist, a proud nationalist who would not compromise on the rights of the downtrodden, an iconoclast who believed in the necessity of religion, a champion of women and the minorities, the last outstanding leader in the glorious chain of social reformers Maharashtra has produced, Ranade, Phule, Agarkar and Ambedkar. The great son of India who gave self-respect and political rights to the millions of untouchables of India.
In Bombay, a vast sea of mourners thronged the route of the last journey of Baba Sahib Ambedkar. The underprivileged had lost their beloved leader. In the struggle for social and economic justice, in the history of India, Baba Sahib Ambedkar will always be remembered as a great emancipator.
बाबा साहब को याद करके कह सकते हैं कि अय बाबा, तूने कल्बे तीरगी से नूर पैदा कर दिया, भयंकर अंधकार में तुमने रोशनी पैदा कर दी। तूने कल्बे तीरगी से, भयंकर अंधेरे से नूर प्रकाश पैदा कर दिया। तेरी जान बख्शी ने मुर्दों को मसीहा कर दिया। तुमने मुर्दों में जान बख्श दी, मुर्दों को मसीहा कर दिया। करवटे दुनिया की कैंसर अब तिराड़ आ सकती नहीं। दुनिया में कितनी भी करवटें आ जाएं, कितने भी तूफान आ जाए, तुमने जो किला बनाया है वो किले को कोई ढा नहीं सकता। करवटे दुनिया की कैंसर अब तिराड़ आ सकती नहीं। आंधिया कितनी भी उठे तेरे चिरागों को बुझा सकती नहीं।